So tell me who doesn't like Megan Fox. I am so excited to create this look because she looks gorgeous as ever. So let's start. I'm taking the eye primer always for my eyelids, just a little bit. And then we are going in for a corrector from LA Girl and placing it at all places where I have pigmentation, dark spots, darkness. For me, this makes a lot of difference of how it shows as an even skin tone. So that is why I don't skip out on a corrector. Also, when you're trying to look like somebody, you gotta have like a clean base so that you can modify it accordingly. Then we are going in for a foundation from Sugar, and I don't know why I'm using this brush initially, the PAC one, because I finally took the kabuki brush to blend the whole thing. And yeah, you can see this color is matching my skin tone very well. Next we are going in for a concealer from PAC Takeover in the shade Twisted Toffee and placing it at all the places basically where we have applied the corrector. Now to blend it all, I'm using the same brush from PAC 219. Now I'm taking another concealer from Sugar Magic Wand in the shade Panna, but this I'm doing only to highlight the center of my face because that's how the look is. So I'm doing it very little, not as much as I've used the concealer. You see how it's like brightening up that area and giving that lift on the sides of my face. It's amazing, this concealer, for a highlight, you know. Okay, this is the last concealer, I promise, but this like literally highlights the center of your face because I'm hardly using a little bit, so the amount of concealer just reduces. Next, I'm taking this beauty blender from Drugstore company and taking a little bit of a MAC powder. It's a nice lighter shade to highlight again and set it all up. Now to highlight and set it all up even more, I'm using this white powder from Sugar. It really sets well. Now for brows, I'm taking the Sugar eyebrow pencil. I'm going full on stark dark. Now I wanted my eyeshadow to have a nice light base, so I'm taking this base eyeshadow base from NYX and putting it all over my eyelids. Now let's start the eyeshadow. I'm taking this palette from Makeup Revolution. I don't know if this palette is available anymore. I'm taking this nice baby pink and starting off with the inner corners of my eyes. I honestly find it really difficult to understand this eyeshadow look. So I just put the pink all over my lids to give a nice base, and then I took the dark brown to start off with my outer corners, give that V shape, taking it into my crease. I was not satisfied with that brown, so I took this palette from Huda Beauty. I always go back to this palette, I don't know why, because I just love the brown in this and just intensifying the brown crease. Now for liner, I'm taking this one from Faces Canada. It's a nice matte one, just giving a nice neat line close to my eyelashes. That's it. Now for my brow bone, I'm taking this palette from Makeup Revolution Soph X, taking this nice pink highlight and putting it on my brow bone. Now for the waterline, I'm taking this pencil from PAC in the shade Skin. I'm putting it just carefully on my waterline. It's so creamy, this pencil, and also I'm trying to smudge it a bit because it was too much. Now taking the same brown which I used from the Huda Beauty palette and just smoking it out under my eyes and also giving that a slight, a big wing there. Curling my eyelashes, putting on some mascara from Benefit Bad Girl Bang, and then for contour I'm using my favorite palette from NYX. and in the shade Deep Profound, and using this contour brush and heavily contouring my face to look like her. Contouring my nose, making it look a little slim and thin, and also, you know, I actually contoured my lips, but I didn't record it. It stopped filming. Now for blush, I'm taking this amazing palette from Sugar. I mean, I love this pink because it gives that nice blend to the brown contour. I love it. Now for highlighter, I'm using this one from Benefit. What's Up? It's like great to give that nice whitish pinkish shine. And also I'm contouring, like highlighting my nose with the same NYX concealer and highlighting it too. Oh my god, look at that. Highlighting my Cupid's bow too. Now for lip liner, I'm taking this lipstick from PAC and just darkening up that contour which I did, and also giving that line, outer line, making it look plump and big. For lipstick, I'm taking this one from Smashbox, Stepping Out. This is like almost over. I had to scrape it out, but I just love this shade. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. And this one is like old and it's not even available, but I just love this brown to give that highlight in the center of my lips. I'm taking another lipstick from NYX. Even this is not available. I put on this PAC Mink lashes, and this is the final look. What do you think? Do you like it? Love it? I love it. I really love this. I'll see you in my next. I hope you liked it. Bye bye.